I'm just gonna wing it.
So I saw this video for a chicken marinade using the Chipotle and adobo. So I kind of loosely basing this off of the video I saw because I don't have measurements for it. But it was about 4 tablespoons of the Chipotle and adobo, 4 garlic cloves, 1 whole lime juiced, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and a little squirt of honey. And I think I did like 2 squirts of the honey. I also added a splash of orange juice. This marinade was so good. And actually, after we cooked the chicken, my husband was like, write it down right now. You're gonna have to remember what you did because we actually want to put this on shrimp. And we did marinate this all night in the refrigerator. All right, so this is squash, zucchini, and onions, and I did adobo, seasoning, Kinder's the blend, and kickin' chicken. We did both the chicken and the vegetables on the Blackstone, and it was amazing. You always keep it like...
Ooh, steam's getting it.
It smells so good already. Look at the crust. Oh, you're gonna dredge it in the sauce. Oh, that's gonna be good. Oh my God, that's gonna be so good. Friends, that's what's for dinner.
Ooh, it's good.
Y'all, this chicken is so good. Okay, so it's Saturday night, and we're gonna have surf and turf with rice pilaf. So we have these 2 beef tenderloins. It looks like a little beef nugget.
It was in the package of whatever.
All right, so he's drying off the beef tenderloins. And then this is the seasoning blend we're gonna use. He's going down with EVOO. Kosher salt.
Coarse ground black
Coarse
pepper.
ground black pepper. Worcestershire sauce.
A little bit of soy
Soy sauce. Now, are you going to do this on both sides?
Yep.
Okay, are you going to do it now, or are you just going to let it sit?
Flip it.
Getting all the sides, babe.
You got it.
Now we're going to prepare our shrimp cocktail. That's our appetizer, and we add some kosher salt to some water. So what do? Do you bring it up to a boil?
Yeah, bring it to a boil, then dump the shrimp.
Then drop the shrimp. Okay. Got the ice bath ready.
Almost ready.
Waiting for that to come up to a boil, and then it's going to boil for 2 minutes. And these are the shrimp we're using. What is the shrimp again?
Red shrimp.
From the local seafood market. We also made some rice pilaf to go with dinner tonight. We're at a good rolling boil. Now the raw shrimp is going in. These are cleaned, deveined, but the tails are still on. And they're gonna boil for 2 minutes exactly. Woo! All right, so this is our appetizer before we have our steak dinner. We're ridiculous. It's like butter and cocktail sauce. My hubby always puts my steak on first because I like mine a little bit more well done. Now we're going to work on the rock shrimp. Okay, now he's going to saute this in olive oil and butter, and he's also going to add some roasted garlic and some diced garlic and Italian seasoning, and then we're going to add some lemon and some wine. What is that, Italian seasoning?
Yep, Italian seasoning.
You take the shrimp and the lemon juice,
Shrimp and the scampi sauce.
put it over the rice.
Put it over the rice. A little bit over the steak. Get the sauce. Stuffy face. Grab your shrimp.
It's so good. Well, that's going to do it for What's for Dinner. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Subscribe if you're new. Bye.